In this TMC Helpdesk video, we'll cover how to perform the file maintenance procedures in Dynamics GP. Just a few simple steps to perform the file maintenance. Let's get started. First, some warning signs that file maintenance may be needed on your system include alert messages that cannot be easily explained, inaccurate or just wrong data starts appearing in Windows or in reports. Again, in Windows or in reports, you may start to see unusual or unused characters start to appear. Finally, you may start to experience difficulties in getting certain windows to open. Some other questions to ask: how common is this problem? Is this affecting just one user or multiple users or every user? In just a single company, multiple companies? Can the system administrator still perform that particular task or activity? Once you've determined that file maintenance is needed, the first step is to run check links. This cannot be overstated. All users must be out of the system and make a backup before you get started. During the life of your Dynamics GP system, data and file maintenance may need to be performed. This is normal, and GP has the tools you need to run these procedures. Click on the Microsoft Dynamics GP button. Click on Maintenance. Click on the Check Links option. Notice that Check Links is available for all the major module groups in GP. Click on the Series drop-down to see the list. You'll need to know which module or module groups to process, and the troubleshooting we talked about earlier will provide clues as to where in GP Check Links needs to be run. As an example, if the problems are being seen in the AR aging report, start with the Sales module group. With the Sales series selected, we can now focus on specific tables and transaction types to process. In this example, we would focus on the Receivables Open Transaction files. Click on the Receivables Open Transaction files and then click Insert. The window will show you how many records will be included, and note that you can run check links for more than one table group at a time, even the entire series. Insert your selections and click OK. Choose the report destination. Click OK, and the process will run. No errors found here, but your results may vary, of course. If errors are found, you will next need to reconcile the appropriate records as indicated. Reconciling the tables and files in GP is done as a utility within the module group that's experiencing the issue. Click on the Sales Center. Click on the Utilities. Click on the Reconcile link. The Reconcile utility can be applied to a variety of records and transactions, master records too. Our issue was with the aging report, so we want to reconcile the outstanding document amounts. Notice that you can select a range of records to reconcile, or you can choose to reconcile all the records in that group. After you've made your selections, click Process to begin. Select the destination for the report. After completing the process, the Reconcile report will run. Should the process find any errors, the report will show the before and after reconciled amounts of any document that was updated. Check out our website for more videos and other resources. Thanks for watching.